Welcome to Flush It or Trash It, the only show where your shot can help save your pipes. If you make the correct shot, your pipes will thank you. But the wrong shot will get you flushed by the defense. I'm your host, Johnny Flusher. Let's get started. Here's our first item. Toilet paper. Flush or trash?
Johnny, I'm going with flush. Charmin.
Excellent. Only TP, puke, pee, and poop are flushable. Not in my house. Wipes will clog those pipes. Say it with ease and remember the 4 Ps. Only pee, poop, puke, and paper, toilet paper that is, belong in the toilet. Everything else, trash it.
Okay.